we are showing you a first look of this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 298 square meters, floor area of 495 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3 carport, and private swimming pool. Priced at 39.8 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So guys, first of all, excuse lang natin yung mga construction materials kasi finishing pa itong house na to. Kaya naman first look talaga, swerte natin kasi unang-una tayong makakakita ng house na to. So guys, from here we can see the facade of the house. It's very nice. I love the cantilevered na roof over there. We have our 2 carport right here. I think maybe 3 carport. And our pedestrian gate is there. Excuse lang po. Ayan. So we have this space right here. I think 3 cars can fit right here. Tall ceiling, high ceiling tayo. Even tall cars can fit. And of course, our very grand main door. So guys, this is solid wooden door. Ang ganda ng detalye ng wood natin. We have the area right there for your pocket garden. Yan, imagine niyo na lang muna guys. Okay? So upon entry, ito, very wide wooden door. We have this double height. Hello kuya. We have this double height ceiling, very interesting light fixture. Napaka-grand ng feel ng house. And my butterfly. Okay? Living area is right here. Imagine your guest and family lounging dito. Very classy. We have this backdrop right here. Guys, magkakaroon ng artwork dito upon turnover. We have this console right here. Air conditioning is installed. We have shelves for your awards and collection. Okay, this side is your dining area. So we have this 10-seater dining table, solid wood na may resin detail. Very nice kasi kitang-kita mo talaga yung detalye ng wood do. Napakagandang backdrop right there. Air conditioning is installed. And this parang shell na chandelier natin dito. Very nice. Okay. Now, guys, parang ito yung pinakamalaking kitchen na nakita ko. Okay, we have this very, very huge center island right here. Storage underneath. Behind me is a lot of storage. Countertop. Your sink is the modern type. Push button type of sink. You have your range hood, and more storage space right here. I think this one they will enclose for your parang bar for your wine collection dito naman. Okay. Now, this is your powder room. Excuse natin yung mga construction materials, guys. Pinapaganda pa yung house. Sink and your Japanese toilet over there. And mapapansin nyo guys, even the powder room, ang ganda ng detalye. Okay? What more the rest of the house? Okay, now, this door is the pantry. Yan. Very wide yan guys ha. May pa left pa yan doon. Yan. Then, we have this bedroom right here. Kuya, excuse lang po. Magkabay ka na lang kuya. We have this bed right here. Outlets on both sides. Ang ganda ng headboard natin. And this fluted panel goes all through the ceiling. We have this console right here, cabinetry, and toilet and bath. Okay. Now, this door naman, pakita na natin, is your daily kitchen. We have our countertop, sink, storage, and this is the provision for your washer and dryer. Meron tayong outlet, faucet, and yung drain. Then, this room is the staff room and the driver's room. Okay? Ngayon, dito na tayo dumaan. Dito na tayo eh. Okay? Pump room is here. Then you have a big pool right here. Imagine guys, pagtapos nito, talaga. This is the shower, and this is the toilet for your pool users. Okay? What's good about this house is meron siyang room dito for your gatherings. So we have this big table. Dito yan sa gitna yan dito. You have light fixture, magandang cove lighting. We have our bar area right here. Napagandang detalye sa ating walls. And that way is your carport. Okay? We promise that we will have a full tour upon completion of this property. One more look sa ating kitchen, dining, and your living area. Okay? Now, let's go to the second floor. So sa second floor natin, let me just take this off. Wooden steps, wooden handrail, metal support with glass details, very big window. Curtains are installed. Meron tayong mga strip lights sa ating walls. Okay? Ganda. So, we have this big hallway right here. First door. First door is first bedroom. Come here. Malawak. Stucco finish walls. Strip lights. Ang ganda. Big window, air conditioning installed. We have this console for your entertainment. And ensuite, toilet and bath. That has your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with your cabinets right here. Now, next door is another bedroom, similar to the first one, but I think this one is slightly bigger. Same format. We have the bed in the middle, window, console, vanity. Very spacious. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng couch dito. And your ensuite, toilet and bath that has your sink, toilet, enclosed shower, and your cabinets dito. By the way, the cabinets are lighted. Okay? Next door, at the end of the hallway, ito mirror naman siya. Bed is in the middle. Strip lights, stucco finish walls, big window, vanity, and your console for entertainment, plus your ensuite, toilet with your sink, toilet, enclosed shower, and cabinets. Now, I'm very excited kasi ito yung highlight natin. The next room is the master. So, are you guys ready? So, the master. Guys, also, let's go out. Also, makapansin nyo, real wooden flooring ang ginamit natin dito. So, it's very elegant. That overflows sa ating master bedroom. Hello po, kuya. We have this big bed, side tables, switches and outlets on both sides. We have this strip lights that goes all through the ceiling. We have this console over here. CCTVs are installed. We have these big windows, sliding door that has an access to your front balcony. Pakita rin natin. Diba? It's your front balcony. Then, this massive master bathroom. You have your Japanese toilet. You have your jacuzzi / bathtub. Very nice detailing on the walls. Enclosed shower right here. You have your sink and your proper walk-in closet. Shelves, and more shelves. You have a big mirror right here. Same as the other side. shelves, and this center island right here that houses your maybe your watches, diba? Your jewelries will be right here. Then we have these stairs going to the loft that can be an extension of your wardrobe or a stock room. Depends on you. Okay, so now let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 298 square meters, floor area of 495 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3 carport, and private swimming pool. Priced at 39.8 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.